Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a never. You don't really know you like a candle.
What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacey, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you are new to my channel, hello. But if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, my girl? You are ready to see how I do this natural but very much glam makeup look? Definitely keep on watching. Okay, beauties, so let's jump right into it. First things first, we're gonna take my watermelon glow recipe, because how are you going to get that dewy, glowy, hydrated look without moisturizing and having your skin do that first? Okay, so after we moisturize, I'm gonna go ahead and take my favorite primer of all time, which is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. And we are just going to work this right into the skin, not missing any areas. And you guys know I love when my skin is just doing its one, okay, period. So to apply today's foundation, we're gonna go ahead and take my favorite foundation brush, which is the e.l.f. foundation brush, and I am going to be doing a little underpainting. So I'm going to be using the new Radiance booster from Juvias Place. So if you are interested in a full detailed review, I'm talking price, how it works for me, everything, even some swatches, definitely check it out. I did a video on that. I will link it down in the description box, and it's also going to be popping up on screen as well. But check it out after this video if you haven't watched it already. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and work this into the skin. This is gonna be like that base to give us that glow. But now if you are a girl that is desiring a little bit more full coverage, we're gonna go ahead and take the Radiance foundation from Juvias Place. So both of them have a very glowy formula, and this is what's gonna give you that dewy look. And over time, as your makeup settles in some more, girl, it's just gonna look so freaking good. So my foundation shade has actually changed. I feel like it's giving a little oompa loompa right now, but it's okay because we're gonna brighten it up with some concealer and stuff like that. You guys know this is my new favorite. I'm just gonna go ahead. I think the Hourglass is pretty light, yeah, and it's like a nice shade that I feel like it's gonna help with off color kind of thing going on. So yeah, let's go ahead and I'm gonna be quiet because I'm like not sure if I want to talk or not in this video, but honestly we're just gonna go ahead and just jump right into doing our makeup. Okay, so period. Let's turn that music back up, my girl. So now we're just highlighting every other area of my face that we want to, you know, balance out this color, because my color was a little off, but it's okay. Okay, so we did our full T-zone, and now I'm gonna also take Juvias Place new liquid blush lighters. So these are the same liquid blushes that they have, but this formula is also, it has like these pearls in it, so it kind of helps with the glow of your blush. So we're gonna go ahead and use shade Lilly, or I forgot exactly what it is, but it has the word Lilly in it. I think it's like Lily Glow or Pink Lily or something like that, but super duper gorgeous. The original formula is more pigmented, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the e.l.f. liquid blush, which this is new. I did a review on it and I really did like it, but I'm gonna use this on top of that just to give me a little bit more color to my cheeks. Okay, but everything is just glowy, hydrating, and just looking very yummy. Okay, period. So now I'm gonna take my Paw sponge, which I got from Amazon. It is an amazing dupe for the beauty blender, super soft. You get like 9 big sponges for literally like $9. It's going to be my Amazon storefront, which is also down in my description box, but we're going to go ahead and blend everything out. So after we blend my bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin, I'm going to go back and blend under my eyes. But as you see, I only blend the edges out first. This is what's going to give you that seamless look. After I blend the edges out of both of my under eyes, then I go back in and blend all the way up to my under eye, my waterline, like all the way up. So everything's looking really good. Now we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of cream bronzer. Definitely for that dewy look, I just feel like a nice shade of a cream bronzer is going to work. I'm using shade Caramel from the Juvias Place, and then we're going to set. So the difference between setting and baking is setting is just kind of locking in the creams that you're using. So the first place I'm going to set is under my eyes, because that's where we're going to crease first. And then we're going to set everywhere else that we applied our concealer. Okay. And we're just going to use the remaining powder to set the remaining of the face. So I did go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera, my girl. If y'all ever want to know why I'm late, that is why I'm late, because I'm always turning up. Like, makeup just activates a different mode in me. Okay. If that's you, comment down below the 100 sign right now. If y'all be doing y'all makeup and turning it up, let me know. So anyways, I'm outlining my lips with a dark brown liner from Ruby Kiss, and then I'm going to go ahead and take the Juvias Place volumizing gloss stick. This is also a lip plumper as well. I'm going to go ahead and take this new shade and just kind of mix that onto my lips, making sure they're looking nice, juicy, plump. This is just the easiest natural glam makeup look if you are my dewy, hydrating, glowy goddess. If this is what you like, you're going to just love this look. Alright my love, so this is the end of today's video. I really do like this makeup look. Very natural, but very B. I don't know where I'm going, but I need to go somewhere because I'm looking too good. But I love you guys so freaking much. If you guys haven't already, go ahead, join the team. Just do it like Nike by subscribing to my channel. If you watched the video all the way through, go ahead and comment down below this secret emoji. If you're not, go ahead and follow me on all my social media platforms and stay connected to me. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.